Hello, wonderful people. You're welcome to yet another interesting video. Today, I'll be talking about payment gateways in Adforest team. I received a lot of comments from my subscribers asking me to do this video about the payment. So I'm here to make that video. To accept payment on your Adforest website, you need to set up a payment gateway. This payment gateway enables you, the site owner, to collect payment. We're going to make use of this service Stripe to collect payment from our users. So this is how we go about that. So to add the payment, this is where it all begins. From our dashboard, we go over to product and click on all products. You log in as a user and go to your profile. Then when you click on packages, you want to see the same individual business premium as you see them here, individual business premium. Then the $1, $5 and $60 you see here is the same thing you're seeing here, $1, $5 and $60. So in case you want to add another package, because you can see we have just 3 here, you can easily do that by going to the dashboard, products, as in all products, then you scroll up and you're going to click on add new. So here you're going to put the name of the product. We have individual, business, premium. You can choose something like a standard, anything at all you want to use here is okay by you. Then when you come down to this place, you're going to choose Adforest packages. And here right now, it's time to enter the details here. The first thing here is a package background color. This package has a white background. Why this is not a white background? So this is white as well. So this is a black background actually. So this is where you put the color you want to use as your background. So let me go with dark. Then package expiry. That is what you see here. Validity is for this is 40 days. This is 35 days. This is 60. So here you want to put we don't have anything like 50 here, so I'm going to make use of 50. So here I type 50. Now there's something you need to know here. Expiry in days. It means after 50. It means after 50 days, this package will expire. Now, if you don't want this package to expire, you just simply put -1 and this package will never expire. But what we intend to do is this package to expire after 50 days. So we'll put 50 here, because if the package doesn't expire, then we'll be losing money. Alright, now simple ads. Same thing, -1 means unlimited. Now how many simple or free ads can I give such a user? I'm going to just try something like 80. Then featured ads. How many featured ads do you want to give this user? Try something 40. Then how many bump ads do you want to give this user? I try something like 5. Okay. Now, what is the price for this package, this standard package? Now we have this column here and the one above. You should always know something here. The regular price is supposed to be more than the sales price. So whatever you put here, like If you put $50, whatever is gonna be here is gonna be more than $50. So let's try something like this: $80, $50. Okay, now you can decide to have a kind of schedule a time limit whereby you want this sales price to be active. But we're not into this right now, so we leave that. And description, you can just say this is standard, and we're done with this. So all we need to do now is go and click on publish. So as you can see, I reloaded these packages, but the standard cannot be updated. That is because this page has been configured in 3 columns with a WPA page builder. So for us to have the fourth package, which is the standard we just created, we need to edit this page using WP page builder. We need to open all pages. There we locate packages, and we're going to edit packages using WP page builder. So I need to scroll down and locate packages. And here is my packages. Now you need to be careful here. Never you use edit, because when you use edit, you're not going to achieve anything. So simply click on edit with WP page builder. So what I simply do is locate this pen icon which says edit product and click on it. But before then, let's quickly go check what we have done before. When I click on all products, here is the standard I just created, and here are the others. So making a total of 4. So with that in mind, let's proceed. So when you come to this place, we click on product settings, and here is the column. So I'm going to choose 4 columns, then go to product. Now I have individual, business, and premium, but this particular one is empty. So this is what I'm supposed to have, which is the 3 packages. So I'm going to add a 4th package. I'm going to click on plus, drop this down, select product. Here is the standard I just created. Select that and say save. Then I close this and I say update. Here I have the 4 packages. Now these are not in the right order. I want the 60 to be the last. So I can still do that. I go back to this pen icon. I go to products. Now I take this 3rd one and drag it down to the last. So premium is now the last. Then I'm going to say save changes. Close this and update. And That is how we have four columns here, all settings done within or from this pen icon. Now here's the drill. I don't like four packages. I want to go with just three. So I'm going to remove one of them. I want to get rid of standard. So I quickly come back here, click on this pen icon, go to products and get rid of standard. This is standard here. This is standard here. So I want to click on this, delete, and say OK. And I'll hit save changes. And it's saved. And I'm going to update as well. Whoops, I forgot something. I forgot to return this back to three columns. So I'm going to go back there, go to product settings and return this column to 3 and hit save changes and done and hit update. And there I have my packages in 3 columns. So this is exactly how to add packages and remove packages. In case you need to edit any of these packages here, if you want to edit individual, for example, you want to make this individual to be $2, 20 days, and so on. All you need to do is come down to individual, you click on edit, then package expiry, you can make that 20, simple add. How many ads do you want that individual to be able to post? You can say 15. How many featured ads you want that individual to post? You can say 10. Remember, when you put -1 like this, it means unlimited. Okay, so be careful. Then how many ads do you want the individual to be able to bump? Say 3. Then here is where you fix the price. Here we have 1, and that's why we have $1 here. So we want to change that to say 3, for example, and that is it. So we go and say update. Now that is done. We move over here and we see reload, and that's it. It's been updated. So right now we are good to go. The next stage we are going to now is to learn how to collect our earnings from a credit card or debit card. So to do that, we're going to be using a service known as Stripe. So all you need to do is visit the website stripe.com, then go down to the site and check global. When you get to global, you'll be seeing the countries that are eligible to do business or the countries where Stripe is available. So all you need to do is check if Stripe is available in your own country, and if that is available, then we are good to go to the next level. So what you do is you create an account with Stripe with an email and a password. And when you've done that, now it's time to go and install the Stripe plugin on our site. So we head over to plugins, add new. When you come to this place, you're going to look for WooCommerce Payment Gateway. This is what we need here, WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. Now I've activated this already, So it's active on my blog now. So I don't need to install anymore because I have done that before. So all I need is go back to my plugins, and here is the plugin. So I'm going to go to settings, and when I come here under enable disable, I'm going to choose enable Stripe. Then here it says credit card. I'm gonna do something like uh, debit card. Now the next thing you're gonna worry about is this test publishable key, test secret key. So I'm gonna go to my Stripe account to get the information here. So when I arrive at my Stripe account, I go to developers, and under API, this is my publishable key and my secret key. So I'm gonna click on reveal to reveal both of them. So here is asking for my password. I'm gonna do that. So publishable key, I'm gonna copy that, copy the token, and paste that here. Then for the secret key, I'm gonna copy that as well and paste here. Now, do you want to receive notifications on charge status? Then click on this link so you can set it up. So we are here. We're going to click add endpoint. What we need to do now is copy whatever link you see there, then paste into the endpoint URL. Under event to send, do you need notification on a particular event? If yes, select from the list. But if you want to get a notification on all events, you need to go down here and select receive all events. But if you don't want to receive all, come back here, select a few events you want to receive charge status. So I'm going to select all. And click on add endpoint. It's asking for my password. So I put that and I say authenticate. Alright, I'm having an error here because I don't have a domain name, because I'm actually doing this on a local host. So in your own case, you won't get this error because I believe you'll be working with a domain name and a live site. So what I'm going to do for demonstration purpose is to edit my URL, inserting a real domain name. I replace it with this domain name and select receive all events, then add a endpoint, and there is it. So go to sign in secret, click to review, then copy whatever code you see there and paste it into the text webhook secrets, and go down and hit save changes, and we are done. So when that is done, it's time to try our um, account in test mode. It's asking for it's asking me to activate my account to access live data. What I need is just I need to leave it on test mode. So this is what I'm going to do now. Now I'm here over here. I'm logged in as a user, as you can see here. This is a user one, logged in. Then under packages, I'm going to purchase this one now. So say select, and it's been added to my cart. So this one I actually I'm interested in. So I'm going to click proceed to checkout, and this is $60. So here I'm going to fill this. This is the interesting part. We are not looking at direct bank transfer here. Check payment, no, that's not what we're looking at. Cash on delivery, no. PayPal, no. Stripe, yes. So this is where we now choose to pay with our debit card, and for this test payment, we're going to make use of this card number because our account is not a live account. So I'm going to put this. Then for the CVC, I'm going to put anything here, and here 0120. So I'm going to say place order. So it's going to check and discover that my zip is not a valid zip address. So I'm going to try another zip here. It's going to take some time to run the information I've inputted on the card, and if everything is okay, I'm going to have a message showing that is there is a successful payment. Okay, I think it's going to be successful this time around, and there you have it. You can see, thank you, your order has been received, the date and the amount. Now let's go check my account and see if there's any change. And whoa, here is a payment of $60 today. So this is a test account. If my account were to be live, as in if I activate, then I'll be in business. So this is basically how to do this. And when you go to others from your WooCommerce on your site, you will have the ability to this is the order which the user just placed. Then you will have the ability to change this to completed. Because it's still on processing, so you have to complete this manually. And that it says completed. So we come back to this person's profile now. Featured ad 0, bump ad 1. Let's click on packages again. Sorry, let's go to profile. And you can see 50 ads, featured ads 15, and bump ads 11. If we come to profile of the same user, which is user 1, and go to packages, then we can now compare what we have now. Ads remaining is 50, as we have here 50, then featured ads is 15 and bump ad is 10. That is exactly what we have here. Expiry date, that is when the ad is going to expire, and the package type and everything is listed in the person's profile. So this is basically how to add payment system to Adforest theme. I had to quickly do this video because a lot of persons actually wanted me to do this. So I hope I've been able to explain this to your understanding. But if you feel there's something you don't get, you know how it goes, hit me up in the comment section and I'll be glad to help you. Thank you once again, and like always, have a very nice day.